Gang, we seen gold head back up, with the 27 extension, take profit 14 and 1965, take profit 14 from 2002. Gold went all the way up to 2000, starting March 6th into March 7th, 2022. We seen gold go all the way up to 2000. Highest was 2002. Gold gets all the way up here. Like I said, we could have sold this all the way back down. Could have sold this from 2002 all the way back down to 1965. Take profit 14. Boom, we're out this trade. And now we've seen gold heading back up. As people are expecting gold to head back up, we're expecting gold to head back up. At least to at least back up to 2000. It's at 1994 right now. It should head up to 2000 pretty soon. We're expecting gold to even get higher. And now we're in the 2000s. So this is major. Major moves. Let's go on to the different pairs and look at this how this is affecting how all these pairs are being affected by this. We've seen GPUSD by this war. We've seen GPUSD go from 1.32 all the way down to 1.31 today as well. March 7th, it goes all the way up to 1.32, all the way back down to which right now it's at 1.31. So major move right now with GPUSD, with British USD. Let's go to we see this major move with British GPSD, which is major today. We see this major move. It gets all the way up to this is March the like I said March the 7th. It gets all the way up to 32. And before this, it was even higher. GPUSD was at March 4th. This March 4th was at 1.33, and it got all the way down to 1.31. So major move with GPUSD as well. GPAUD. That's one another commodity pairs. Let's go to Euro USD. Euro USD as well. We've seen Euro USD, go back from March 7th was at 108, go all the way back up to 109. And it looks like it's heading back down now, back down to 108. And we could see, like I said, Euro even getting down further than that, 107. It could get further. It can go all the way down to 106. And remember, last time it was down here at 1.06 was back in May. Back in May 2022. May 2020. Beginning this pandemic, but it did go from 108 all the way back up to 109. Just keeping you updated with all the pairs. We've seen the dollar, the USD. We've seen the dollar pair go up as well. Today as well from March 7th, 2022. Today we've seen the dollar, the USD dollar go up as well from 98 all the way up to 99. From $98 to $99. And it can even go higher. It looks like it wants to go to $100. It can go all the way up here as well. It looks like it's kind of doing the same thing what gold is doing. Gold went down, and so did the dollar. It went down as well as gold went down too around 6:30, 7 o'clock. Which is kind of unusual that we see gold and the dollar doing the same thing, but the dollar went from 99 all the way back down to 98. And same thing that gold did, like the same exact thing. Gold went from 2002 all the way back down to 1965. Incredible move. And we've seen gold do the same thing from 99 all the way down to 98. And then, around 9:30 London, New York session, we've seen gold head back up from 98 all the way back up to 99. $99, and we could see gold getting even higher. We could see the dollar getting even higher. It seems like it wants to do the same thing that gold is doing. Gold highest right now is at $2,000. We've seen gold get all the way up to $2,000. March 6th, we're seeing gold get all the way up to $2,000. And this is kind of the highest right now. Gold been at since the beginning of the pandemic. The beginning of COVID is at $2,002 it went all the way back down to 1,096 $1,965. We've seen gold get all the way back down to take profit 14 too as well. Just going over and then head back up, heading back up to $2,000. It seems like we're going higher and higher with gold as this war is continuing. Same thing with Aussie. Aussie we did go down as well from 74 March 7th. 2022 from $74 all the way back down to $73. So we've seen this today as well. All the pairs, all the major pairs, Euro USD, GBPUSD, Aussie USD, all has been, the dollar. We've seen gold. All the major pairs have been moving, making big moves starting off. Just March 7th, 2022. Today we've seen a lot of big moves happen today. And yeah, let's also go over oil. Oil has been going up as well. I want to go over that real fast with you, gang. Oil, man, oil has been going up. Kind of missed out on this one right here. This was a big major move. And we go over to crude oil as it has to do with Russia. United States is banning any assets with with Russia. They're banning Russia oil, and we'll go over that too as well. In the news. We'll go over fundamental news in a little bit as well. They have banned it. United States has banned all transactions with Russia, closing down their central banks. As we go to oil, let's just go to oil real fast. They closed down their central banks as well. Um, and as far as oil, anything, where the United States has banned all transactions with Russia. They're trying to stop this war from happening with Putin. Pushing this war. I guess we can call it a war. It's affecting the market. We've seen oil get all the way up here. We've seen oil get all the way up here. They say it's an operational mission. I'll kind of keep it at that. And we'll just we'll let the news explain what's really going on with with this. Is this a war or not? It's affecting all the markets. It's affecting us as well. In the United States, as Biden is has banned all transaction with Russia. But let's go over oil real fast. Look at oil. Oil right now is at $97. Incredible, crazy, crazy, crazy big move. We had to go over this real fast. As just a while ago, oil was just low. It was just low. Like we start the beginning of March off. We go a little further than that. And like we can go back down to February the 25th of 2022. We can even go down a little bit lower. Oil was just at $67. And going to February 28, 2022, it goes up to 72. This is when we first started seeing oil go up, March 1st, 2022. Just remember, do you remember this pandemic, this move with Putin and Russia didn't start until February 24th. February 24th is when Putin, and Russia attacked Ukraine building, and we see that's when we seen February 24th. That's when gold went all the way up to take profit 14, if you remember. And this is February 24th. Look what happened after this. February 27th, February 28th. Because of this, oil been going up. March 1st it was at 8 from all the way from February 24th, oil goes all the way down to 67. Then, March 1st, it's at 76, from 67 to 76. March 2nd, like look what fast oil has been going up. It's at 84. It's all the way up at 84, right? Heads back down at 80. And then look at this though, March 4th, 2022. The March 4th was just when Russia attacked Ukraine and took over their nuclear plant. March 4th, it's at 82. And then today it shoots all the way up to 97. Like, wow. Wow, 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 wow. Gang?